Good morning, classmates, and good morning, sir. We're going now to present our system, which is the PS system hardware. So first, we're going to introduce ourselves. Uh, my name is Omar Punshan.
My name is John Ray L. Magalso.
My name is Kyle Shaira
My name is
Reyes.
Greg.
My name is Lorian Ishiti Mortala.
So for starter, we're going to present first. Going in our system. So here, as we can see, we are going to perform a login phase. So we're going to log in using our uh, admin. So just going to in password. So after so as you can see, we are here in our dashboard. So upon this dashboard, so we're going to hear Mr. Pilares to explain the dashboard.
Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Uh, this is our dashboard. So we can see here the total products, total sales transactions, total units sold, total revenue. Then below is the top selling products, sales statistics, and the inventory status. So here, the total products, we will know the how many products that we have. So for example, here in the product list, we have five. So in our dashboard, the total product is five. Also, the total sales is three since we have already three sales for the days for the day, and then the total units sold and the total revenue so on. So here we can see the total sold is 31, then the total remaining is 289. Down here, the top selling product is number one is Dragonfly. Then next is the Greenland, Kristen, and Eagles and Stanley. So sales statistics. So here we can see how much the sales or the revenue that we have. So for example, the total revenue is 29,283.40. So the margin is right here. This is based on yesterday total sales. Then next is the inventory status. So we only have five product inventory status. That's all for our admin dashboard.
Okay, thank you for that. So the next, we're going to go on a product. It will be explained by John Ray Micalso.
Sing Kung ano sa products. So here in the products, as you can see, there are a list of product. So in the there's a table, product name. So and then price, quantity. Then there's a code. So every row, and there are there are also a description and then actions. So as you can see here, there are one add product button. So the user can click that and then type the product name. So yun, the product name is Boysen, and the price is 99.75. Then put the quantity and code, then the description. Then after that, the user click the submit button. Then so as you can see, the product successfully added in the product list. So then every row there are three button, the view product. So you can see here but you cannot edit. Then the edit button, this edit button is you can edit the product. So product quantity or anything you want to edit it, then you can just click update button. Then here in delete, you can delete the whole row. So that's all.
Okay, that's a wrap. Thank you, Mr. Maroso. So next, we're going to perform the other process of the our system, which is the inventory. So we're going to have Miss Mortola and Reyes for the inventory.
So good day, sir. So as you can see, here is our inventory board. You can all see here the product listed in our inventory. We have also a search box here so that instead of scrolling up and down, it is easy to use this search. Let's try to search a product for example, Priston.
So after searching it,
Wait lang.
they you can see the total sold and the total remaining, and also you can download PDF for the inventory report. Download PDF, yeah. So in the download report, you can see the whole inventory report for the you can see the product name, the price, the quality, code, and available stocks. That's all.
Okay, that's a wrap. Thank you, Miss Reyes and Mortola. So let's move on to another processes, which is the sales. So we're going to perform, which is going to perform by me. So we're going to the sales. So here, as you can see, we have the sales list of sales. So these are the so you can see the list of the sales of these products and also the date that have been sold. So as you can see, there are a button which is the could also view details. So let's click the view. So here you can see the view of the products which has been sold to a customer. So going to close that. So here, as you can see, there are also the download PDF. So which is the PDF, the sales we're going to generate the report of the sales of the day or sales of the month. So we're going to click the PDF. So as you can see, the system can generate the actual report or the documents that needed in the report for the uh, PS. So in our system. So next, we're going to with the cashier UI. So we're going to log in as usually. So to access the cashier interface. So first, we're going to do log in. So upon clicking the button login, we're going to in our dashboard. So here, as you can see, the dashboard similar to the admin, which is only can also see the customer. I mean the cashier. So the cashier panel in the admin panel will be might have a different. So here we're going to perform the product list. We're going to add some product here. So I mean the customer will go to buy the product. So we're going to put the product name. Like for example, she want to buy. Thank you. It is add. So here, as you can see, there are the product add to the list. So we're going to perform the buy. So to create invoice receipt. So let's do so upon clicking that. So as you can see, the system generate the reports for the uh, customer sales. So we're going to print that out. So as you can see, the system perform its the processes so that need in our POS system. So in our also in our cashier UI, so we're going to have also the interface for the inventory. So let's go for the inventory. So we're just going to exit this and go to inventory. So here in inventory, they have a similarities to our admin panel. So they can also perform the search button, download the PDF, and also can see through the total sales and remaining. So here, the system might uh, perform well for the our processes for the whole need for the POS. Upon doing the upon performing all those processes in our cashier UI, so we're going to see in the admin panel if that uh, documents will or the process that we've been doing is fetching to the admin panel. So we're going to see. So as you can see, we're going to back to our admin panel. So we're going to see if the sales or the reported sales for the UI cashier is here will be added in our list also in our admin. So as you can see, the sold product is added to our list of sales in our admin. So here, so these are the product that had been sold. So all in all, the system or our POS system is working well. And thank you. Thank you guys for the joining our GMET. Thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. And Merry Christmas and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.